Good morning, traders. Welcome to StockCast. My name is Todd Derby. I'm your morning host along with James Mason. Our goal today is to bring some insights and ideas to help you in your daily trading activities. Good morning, James. How are you?
Todd, I'm doing well. Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well.
Was you even watching the camera?
I was watching the camera.
Oh, I was mocking you the entire time.
Oh, so I have
yeah.
are in this monitor, and I'm trying to focus on the camera.
I was trying to mess you up.
I saw you doing a little head bob there. I'm like, all right, you want a little bobblehead action? That's good for you. Should we tell them about the James Mason bobblehead day coming up here sometime in October?
Yes. Good morning, little baby. I love you. Thank you. Hold on, guys.
All right.
Hey, give me the food today. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give it. Give it. I love you. Thank you, baby. She's been trying to keep the stuff now. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Well, she realizes that that's how she gets time with daddy.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. So Dow futures are currently up 180 points. S&P is up 18 3/4 point. And it is Friday. So, man, I can't believe it's Friday already. This week has flown by for me.
Next week's the last week of July. Like, where's our summer gone?
This year has flown by.
Yes, it has.
So, yeah. Fridays are always, well, I can't say always, but for the most part, Fridays are pretty crappy to trade if you haven't figured that out already. And, man, especially day trading. Honestly, I hate day trading on Fridays. It just usually a Friday, man, taking a loss on a Friday screws up your entire weekend. I'm sorry.
Yeah, weekend. It definitely has an impact.
Ain't nothing like taking a loss on a Friday and then just dwelling on it the entire week. But talking about that, let's talk about the country that I dislike the most in the world.
And trust us, there's a really good episode coming in the future where we talk about that, but we won't get into the details why you dislike China.
Yeah, China. I can't even fly into China. So, all right. The Chinese government, they are wanting to take all of their companies and basically move them over to their exchanges and pull them off the United States exchanges. And we all know, it just comes down to China being China. And basically the whole point of me bringing this up is, man, if you're trading Chinese stocks, watch out. I'll just be honest. Chinese stocks are not investments. Todd, how many Chinese penny stocks have we shorted over the last year?
A lot. Most of our successful shorts have been China stocks. They are probably more manipulative in their pump and dump schemes and rigging the pricing than others.
Exactly. And if you think a Chinese company is going to look out for the United States shareholder, yeah,
that's not going to be, and it's not. Yes, it's not going to happen.
Yeah, if you believe that, I have a bowl of rice to sell you in China.
Okay.
Whatever that means. I felt like I would come in and just let it flow,
So another consideration is that I don't know if people know this, but one of our major trading platforms is owned and regulated by China.
Yeah, Webull, man. Okay, so two things about that. One, what happens? What happens if the Chinese government does in fact pull off all their companies from the U.S. exchanges? And the reason being is because there's that 3-year audit period, essentially saying that all foreign companies within 3 years have to be in a position to where they can be audited by the United States government just to make sure that their stuff is legitimate. And really, who the only one is dragging their feet? China. But yeah, talking about Webull, man, don't think that the Chinese government would not put pressure on Webull to somehow shut that down or freeze or just have control. But worse than that, the access to your personal information.
Yeah, they're not going to shut it down. They've built this platform over the years. To their credit, it's a good trading platform that people like.
Mm-hmm.
The mobile platform is excellent, and they're going to have access and information that will help them further manipulate data and information.
Oh, absolutely. And if anybody believes that the Chinese government is not data mining all of that information on Webull, man, you're nuts. You are nuts. Chinese government is going to do whatever they can to get their way. But yeah, man, that would suck honestly, if they did something like that. And yeah, I don't know. We still have some time though, guys. This is just something that ain't going to happen overnight. And who knows, in the end, things could all work out. All these countries, including the United States government, we all have to flex when we have to flex. It's just the name of the game. But other than that, man, Todd, what else were we going to talk about today?
That was the Chinese thing was a two-pronged approach.
Yeah,
we could talk about there's a ticker I like called.
Okay, so with ITRM, we've spoken about this many times before. Todd, yeah. This is one that Todd has had his eyes on for a little bit. He was trading it some, but I mean, Todd, from what I remember, basically I don't want to misquote you, but I'll let you just.
It's got an FDA date coming up here. I think it's on the 25th, but that's a Sunday for some reason. I'm not sure why it's dated the 25th, but yeah, they're waiting for FDA approval. The bad news is, I was going to just pull up the chart real quick, is I don't think it's had a run up for going into this date. So I'm a little concerned for the ticker.
Hold on 1 second. Let me change these candles. All right. Turn that VWAP off. All right. So here we are. This is ticker ITRM. And we have that solid gap down right there. And then currently having this consolidation at this point. And when did you say that FDA news was apparently supposed to be released?
The 25th, but they got a letter back, I think it was July 1st. They got a letter of deficiencies. Then it had a huge drop, like a 25-40% drop. And then the question is, I think they're going to come out and announce that the FDA date got pushed back. But I have not seen that yet. So, and I know it's a ticker that if you hang on to it, you're probably going to be okay long term. But it's a long swing trade. It's not an overnight trade.
Yeah. So if you guys are heavy in it, have some stop losses in. I mean, with any stock, with any bio stock, especially when a FDA date gets pushed back, people start losing their damn minds. And you'll start seeing people just make up shit to tell everybody. And they'll be like, oh, no, I'm bullish. But, they'll just be like, oh, this company's a scam. Well, if it's a damn scam, why are you bullish and why are you holding a position? But that shit will for real start scaring people and people start selling off like crazy. So have a stop loss in, because if this thing gets rough, you don't want to be too heavy in it. All right. So let's talk about ticker NURO. I keep seeing that question. People are asking, is that run over? I 100% believe it's over. And I haven't kept up with it since we traded it, but I wouldn't be surprised if they don't bust out an offering. And they potentially could have busted out an offering. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't kept up with it since we traded it the other day when it ran up. But if you guys remember yesterday when I was talking about it on the show, and when I said for all the people who, were trading it and it went up here and then it pulled back hard and then you were regretting not selling up here, and I said, now's your chance. Literally, that's why I was saying, now's your chance. So I hope you guys were able to move your stop losses up and capitalize on that. But NURO is over, in my opinion. I mean, we could see some fluctuation around this range, but I highly doubt it. So this is not gonna, in my opinion, I don't believe it's gonna like squeeze up to like $100 or anything like that. I don't see that happening.
No, and that was yesterday's dropping the price. The shorts definitely had a chance to get covered yesterday. So the only way it was going to go to $100 was the shorts blew up and squeezed it there.
Yeah. Let's see. Let me look back in the comments. There was some more. There's another ticker I want to talk about. Let's see. See what's going on with CCIV. All right, CCIV last update, short interest 35.17 million shares being short, 17% of the float, days to cover 2.6, shares outstanding 207 million shares outstanding, the float 200, hell, it might as well be 207 million. And let's see what we got for the news. Okay, so it looks like they just had some kind of deal that happened with Churchill Capital. That seems to be the recent catalyst that is taking place right here. So currently up $1.38 pre-market to 24.27. So right here where this little dash line is. And just looking at it on the charts. Right here around 30.25. We're going to see a little resistance, but if we break above 30.25, technically speaking, we should approach this $36 range. Now, if we break $36, then we'll probably experience a strong push up. Potentially could test in this 50, lower $60 range again. I have a hard time seeing it breaking those highs, just because literally like how we just looked at Neuro. That's kind of what I'm expecting here. We'll probably go up here, test this range, and then pull back again. I mean, if you guys also think about Space, Virgin Galactic, same setup on that daily chart. So this is just one of those plays. If I was going to enter it, I wouldn't get too heavy, just because you never know. And even though I'm seeing some people talking about it, it's really not the market darling when you have AMC, people still trying to hold on to that. And then, people are going to try to attack Neuro again, thinking it's going to keep running. So, yeah, I mean, right now, there's really not a lot of people talking about this ticker, and that could stun its growth and its potential. So that's why I would just keep a smaller position here and not try to really hit a grand slam. Another ticker.
Be quick, we're 3 minutes to the market.
Okay, excuse me. Sorry, guys. Another ticker, and it kind of aggravated me. This was an alert. So, I'll talk about it now. It's off now. I need to see it reset. So XBIO, I pushed this one out yesterday, and literally I pushed out like right at the bell, and started with our members slamming it hard, way too soon, caused a spike, created FOMO, and now honestly it's going to script that entire trade. So what I expect now to happen with XBIO is this thing to sell off, get shorted, and honestly break its support in the future. I mean, it is what it is. It's what I should expect. It sucks. It's sad that I have to expect this. It only had 99,000 shares yesterday on a live market. And when someone slammed it for like 30-some thousand shares after hours, it triggered just this effect of people buying like crazy. I mean, there were like 1 million shares or something traded in after hours. So this is going to be a target for the bears to come in short down. It's probably going to break this support and just sell off. So we'll just have to see what it does. But
all right.
Yeah, that's XBIO. So other than that, guys, remember it's Friday. Trade safe, trade smart, move stop losses up to secure profits. You never know what the weekend is going to give you. So other than that, we appreciate y'all tuning in today, and we will catch y'all in the next one.
Have a great one.